Hey y'all, I got my office slash studio set up pretty much how I want it, but now it's looking a little boring. We need to get some LED lights going on. So we're gonna do an unboxing and review of the Govee Glide. Y'all stick with me, we'll get with it right after this. So I was searching the old interwebs for LED light accent lighting, and I stumbled across the Govee Glide. Now I use the Govee lights on the back of my TV that have the camera on them, the immersive lights, and I've had them for quite some time. They really work well and they work flawlessly. So Govee is a name that I do trust, and I will be able to use these with the same app, which would be really nice. So let's go ahead and get into it. The boxing is very nice. Govee does have a really good looking box on it, and it tells you their voice control, so you'll be able to use it with Google or Alexa. Multiple scene modes. The app will really have a lot of scenes, and I'm going to show you a little bit of that. And we could set timers, lighting, colorful lighting, it says, and segmented colors. So that's going to be really cool. So let's get into this box, see what we got. Now we're gonna have our quick start guide and the user manual, which will probably never be looked at again. But this is what we're looking for, these glide lights. Now there's gonna be 6 of them, and they're just about 1 foot long. And there's also gonna be a corner piece we'll show you. Now inside this box, we have our power supply. And this box will be the controller. It's the controller. It'll have a microphone pickup because it'll be able to go to your music. And this is what's gonna plug into your glide. And right here, we have our 90-degree piece. So we have 3 more of these. They're very lightweight. Now let's open one up and take a look. All right, we have a male and a female in to connect them, and they will simply snap into place. So what we're gonna do is try to figure out what type of pattern we wanna put in this room. So let's take a look. I think what I've decided to do is to make an L shape over my television. So I'm gonna put 2 pieces here, about 2 feet, then it'll come up and over 4 feet. So let's go ahead and put them together, get them plugged in, and check them out. So the power supply will only plug into a male in, so that's where we're gonna have to start. So that's gonna be the bottom of my L. And the way that the 90 degrees is gonna plug in, it'll really only go one direction. If I were to start this way and go down, I would have to plug it in up at the top, which I don't wanna do. I wanna plug it in, I wanna have the power supply at the lowest point. So let's snap them together and see what they feel like. All right, they just snap in, nice and easy. We'll put our 90. There's a very solid snap as well. And then we'll go 4 pieces across the top. All right. Now, let's get them plugged in. What we're gonna do now is open up the app, and we are gonna press the add button, and we will search the what is it? Let me check. They're the H6062 is what they are. Govee wall light. All right, finally found them. I don't know what I did differently, but I tried it a few times. It did take me 3 different tries, but now we've got them connected. So we're hooking them to Wi-Fi. And it says connection failed. Oh, now we got it. Okay. Now it wants to upgrade. Let's go ahead and upgrade it. Device is restarting. Update successful, and we're back in it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is check out our scenes. We have ocean, forest, sun glow, rainbow, meteor, pretty cool, aurora, stream, desert, flower. And that was under your natural category. Now under life, you've just got several different options for it. We can set it to play to music. And what's really cool is you can set it to do your phone microphone, or you can set it so now it's working through my phone, or you can set it to use it through the device. So there's really all kind of things you can do with it. Your colors, you can set different segments. And we can choose a different color for that. And there's just really a ton of things that you can do with them. But let's go ahead and get them mounted on the wall, and we'll check it out. Okay, I'm gonna leave them all connected, and we'll just start peeling off the covers on the adhesive. And I'm gonna get it close to where I want it. And I have a level right here that I'm gonna use. All right. So I want it just about here. Let's put the level on it. All right. Now with the level on them, I'm just going to press them to the wall. They are up. So that was simple. They held together good enough so you could do it one person. Now we're going to get this plugged in. All right, I've got them mounted and I've got them plugged back in. So I close out the app. I want to see if we can get these things hooked up right away. And it did, it hooked right away. Now you saw I was having a little trouble. It took me 3 tries to get them to connect initially, but now they are connected. And I can go through put it on whatever I would like, any of the seams, and I think they really give a good look. So the price on them, they're about $99. They're right at $100. But I think it really looks good, and this room needed something, and I'm sure I'm not finished. I'm an LED freak. I kind of like all my colors everywhere. So I think this is a good start. So if you like the product, I do have a link in the description below. Go check it out. If you use my link, I'll make a small commission. Doesn't cost you any more. But check them out, man. Govee makes a really good product. They are reasonably priced. There's others out there that cost quite a bit more. And I think the Govees look just fine, and they've got all the functionality in the world. The app really has a lot of different functions, and I think you enjoy them. So guys, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more to come. And until next time, I'll see y'all on Everyday Man.